I just had to turn on my mic. Yeah, we're gonna be throwing this Ned rig and a white jig. Not a jig, a chatterbait, gosh. But it is a jig, right? Tell me in the comments if you guys think it's a jig. Man, but these no-seams are not no-seams, like mosquitoes. So bad right now. But they've been eating this chatterbait a lot. Yeah, chatterbait. Oh my. Yesterday when I was fishing here, they were eating it a lot. So let's see if we can get some more bites. First cast? First cast? First cast? Ain't no way. Come over here. Oh, he's a chunk too. Huh. Nice little true. Oh, frick, he just... Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, stop it. Oh my freaking gosh, bro. Come on, fit in my hands. Little, nice little two. I ain't too fully, but be chunky like that. So, I'm gonna get him. Do I need a picture? Nah, he's just a little small. I'm just gonna give him a nice safe release. Ah, frick, no. Come on. Gotta grab him. He's stuck in that. I just fell in. Frick, no. There it goes. I thought he was dead for a second. Now they're gonna look at. But, yeah. That was quick, bro. I told you they eat this Ned. But these no-seams are so damn bad. So, yeah. That's one down. And this video is not gonna be that long, bro. Since I have to get back to my house to go do some chores. Oh my gosh, I need more nets! We'll make some more nets. But that was quick. That was really quick. That was almost quicker than last time. But he ate that thing instant. Who agrees that was a quick fish? He wanted that thing. He was like, I want it and I'm gonna get it. Just grab this, Ned rig. But yeah, that was a good fish for only like 2 seconds being in the water. Yeah, I was like saying, Olio. I wasn't singing on the video though. I was singing to my friend at school. And like, yo, how are you catching so? Oh my god, that was a good skip. He was like, yo, can you tell me a good bait so I can get it? I was like, sure, bro. I said, get the Rattling Ned with Ned rigs, since that's what it's called. And like I told him, it doesn't catch. Like it catches everything basically. It catches bluegill, catches bass, catches small bass, big bass. Even though it's a small world, it still catches big bass. But yeah. No. You just see that little concrete? Oh my gosh. Camera's tilted. But you see that little concrete thing over there? It's kind of right by the world, but not. Maybe zoom in. You see it over there? You might not. I might have just had a fish. I yanked it out of his mouth. Where's my lure at? Maybe, oh, there it goes. Like that sun is blinding me. This is probably gonna be my last cast of the video because I gotta go. But at least we caught one fish, which is better than nothing. If I was able to do a long video, would have caught something else. I'm gonna do one more cast, but I gotta be heading back really fast soon. Because one more cast is the lucky charm. But sometimes not the lucky charm in some cases. But yeah. I just had a bite, but it was like, since we have like rocks at this point, I was like, boom, boom. So I was like just hitting it constantly. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And please like and subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it would really help out.